Hey y'all, it is Glam Rebecca, and in today's video I am unboxing my Boxycharm for the month of January. I have a bunch of stuff to unbox, so I figured I'd start with this, and then I go to work in like an hour. I am out of breath because I just tried on like a quarter of my closet to see what could fit and what wouldn't. So there's that. Anyways, if you were interested to see what I got in my January box, then keep watching because that's what this video is. So this month it says so fresh and so clean. There are 5 products in here, and there's one I'm like really excited about because I hope I like it. So we're gonna start off at the top with the Wander Beauty Sweet Escape palette. This is retails for $42. This would, wouldn't be a subscription box without a Wander Beauty product in it. And this is what the palette looks like. I didn't need that, did I? This is what it looks like here. It has a variety of purples here. It's got like a mauve, a pink, a mauvey purple, 2 golden shades, and then like a pink that looks like it shifts gold. And somebody is pulling in our yard. So this is what it looks like right here. And give me just a minute to go figure out who the hell just pulled in our yard. So we had to order a couple things from Walmart, and they were all supposed to be mailed, but it looks like something just got delivered, so yay. So anyways, this palette is really pretty. I was excited to get it. It was not something I would have picked out because I don't know much about Wander Beauty stuff other than I usually get rid of most of it. So there's the first item there I'm keeping. Let me find the thing for it. So that's a $42 palette. It's beautiful. It has some duochromes in it. Let's hope it's nice. The next thing on here is from Earth Harbor Naturals. It says Nebula Adaptogen Clarity Ampule. Now when I hear ampule, ma'am, don't run over my mailbox or my light by it. Everybody wants to run over that damn light by the mailbox. Anyway, so when I think of an ampule, I think of like a little glass vial that you have to like break the head off of. Not something like this. I mean, this is beautiful. It's like purple to clear. It says it's sea lavender and ginseng. Let me stick my nose in it. Maybe I shouldn't have stuck my nose in it. So, this retails for $46. It says, the answers to finding a peaceful energy and light within your skin, both a potent clarifying treatment, which I need on my chin right now, and a gentle glow enhancing elixir. This ampule is Featherlight Flash Absorbing Formula, specifically designed to help distressed skin prone to acne, blemishes, and excessive oil. Well, I have the first 2, but not the last one, so I'm glad I got that. The next is from Persona Cosmetics. I don't have anything from this brand. This is the E-Balm Tinted Lip Balm. It says it retails for $22. This is in the shade Manifest. And it's a really pretty shade. It looks really red. It says it is a sheer, lightweight tinted balm packed with, ooh, smells nice. Packed with nourishing ingredients designed for feel-good comfort anytime, anywhere. So, you can see how dry my lips are by. It's not going to focus, is it? Nope. It's just showing you the palm of my hand. Very glossy, very pretty. Nice pigmentation. And it like clicks. So that's nice. I'm glad I got that. And I will definitely wear it because it's very nice and moisturizing. The next thing in here is from Lovecraft Beauty. This is their Plasma Gloss. I will not use this. I'll tell you right now, I will not use this at all. Where is my... Too much crap on my desk. Hang on. Well, good thing I got a little one. I don't know where the big one went. Okay, so this is like a jelly mush shadow, I guess, from, well, thankfully it's got a seal. You can't really tell the color. It's like some like coppery orange shade called Quasar Goo. So it's this like orangey shade, and it looks like the color I just got rid of from ColourPop from the Hocus Pocus collection that I know I wouldn't wear. So that I'm definitely not going to keep. It says it retails for 18 bucks. And then the last thing in here is from Farrah. It is a liquid liner that retails for $28, and I really like the Farrah brushes. I use a lot of them, and this is, it's a felt tip liner, and you know, you can never have too many of these. A lot of the ones that I have right now need to either be used or tossed, so there's that. And that is everything I got in my Boxycharm. The only thing my computer's taking off. The only thing I'm not going to keep is this. So it retails for $148 worth of stuff, and I'm keeping $130 because this was 18. So that's not bad. I really am glad to get it. I will definitely use the lip product. I'll leave it here on my desk. The eyeshadow palette I wanted to wear, like I had already like peeled the thing off of just to look at it to see if it was something I would keep. And I'm glad to say it is something I would definitely wear. So anyways, this is a really quick Boxycharm unboxing. I do know that my subscription renews on the 1st of February, which is, today is the 28th of January. So I know I'm going to be getting that because I do find a lot of value in getting some of these products, especially the high-end skincare that I get, because I do like a lot of the skincare. So anyways, if you have any questions, leave them down below. I will leave this linked so that you know information about it. I'll leave links to the other products as well. And I will be listing this on Poshmark and my website. If you are curious to buy it, I'll probably sell it for like 15 bucks. As you can tell, I didn't touch it or anything. So it'll stay in its container until I need to photograph it. I might have to like peel that little safety thing back just to show that it hasn't been touched. So anyways, I will see you guys later. Have a fantabulous day or night wherever you are. Bye.